is for apple.
A is for apple.
B is for banana.
B is for banana.
C is for cat.
C is for cat.
D is for dog.
D is for dog. E
is for elephant.
E is for elephant.
F is for fish.
F is for fish.
G is for goat.
G is for goat.
Baby goat, yes mama. Change your diaper, no mama.
H is for horse.
H is for horse.
कीड़ी की काठी, काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम.
I is for ice cream.
I is for ice cream.
M is my favorite treat. I love to eat, very sweet.
J is for jug.
J is for jug.
K is for kite.
K is for kite.
L is for lion.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey.
M is for monkey.
N is for nest.
N is for nest.
O is for orange.
O is for orange.
P is for parrot.
P is for parrot.
Q is for queen.
Q is for queen.
R is for rabbit.
R is for rabbit.
S is for sun.
S is for sun.
T is for tiger.
T is for tiger.
U is for umbrella.
U is for umbrella.
I have a big umbrella which says
V is for van.
V is for van.
W is for watch.
W is for watch.
Ticking, tick, tock. What's the time, Mr. Clock?
X is for xylophone.
X is for xylophone.
Xylophone.
Y is for yo-yo.
Y is for yo-yo.
so you know now. Yo-yo, it's my yo-yo, throw high.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Sometimes I eat leaves but grass mainly. I'm a zebra.